Morning guys. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon para pag-usapan kung paano mag-register sa nakaraang video natin sa lifepointspanel.com. Okay? So, tara, samahan nyo ako. Okay? Ito yung website nila guys. Type lang natin. Lifepoints. Okay, Lifepoints panel. Okay, Lifepoints panel login. And then automatic na siya. Dito pupunta. Alright? At tapos click natin to. Okay, didirect na tayo dito. So, ang kailangan lang gawin is mag-fill up lang tayo ng form at pagkatapos niyan is dapat meron tayong legit na email address. Okay, so before pa tayo pupunta, review muna natin yung website niya. Siguraduhin yung nakalagay dito yung Lifepoints at yung website niya is lifepointspanel.com. Okay, yun yung website niya. Okay, dito natin makikita how it works. Okay, sabi nila, join community for 5 million members and start collecting points today. Okay, ito yung ginagawa ni Lifepoints. Connect, contribute, and collect. Alright? So, dito mo yung makikita lahat ng transaction ni Lifepoints panel. Alright, so wag na tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Diretso na tayo para gumawa ng account. Okay? Click natin yung login. So, since wala pa tayong account, click natin yung become a member. Okay, so didirect tayo dito kay registration form. Okay, so fill up lang natin. Okay, 1. Alright, so the Cruz. Okay, yung email address natin guys, dito siya. 1dela526, okay? 1dela526 at gmail.com. Alright? So, click lang natin. Siguro na natin tama yung email address. 1dela526 at gmail. 1dela526 at gmail. Okay, tama siya guys. And create lang tayo ng password niya. Okay? So, create natin. Okay. Tapos, confirm nyo. Alright, nandito na siya. Tapos, click lang natin yung next. Alright, kailangan niya yung, okay. So, pag nag-register kayo dito guys, kailangan natin upper, lowercase, and merong mga symbols na kailangan niya. Okay, maximum 6 to 20 characters. Okay, gusto niya madamihan, kaya gusto niyang talagang secure. Okay. So, type natin yung mga secure password na may mga hinihingi siya na parentheses, numbers, yan, okay? Type lang nyo yung password nyo guys. Make sure na hindi nyo makakalimutan password nyo. Okay, dito na. Tapos na ako gumawa ng, meron ako dito na parentheses o di kaya number sign at okay. Pagkatapos niya, next. Alright, here we go. Please tell us a little more. And lagyan natin mail. Okay. So, 4229. Okay. 99. Alright. 1990. Bakit ayo? 1990. Okay. 4. And then, so good. Okay, that's so good. Address city is okay, Maasin. Alright, and we are located at Southern Leyte. Okay, 6606. Okay, so make sure nyo na ma-sign up nyo dito. Kung hindi nyo alam yung zip code guys, research nyo lang dito, google.com. Hindi kaya tingnan nyo, so good Southern Leyte zip code. Okay. Type nyo lang. Okay. Dito yung zip code namin. Yan, makikita yung zip code nyo. Okay. Lagyan nyo dito zip code. Alright? So, kahit sugod lang, okay na yan. Okay, click natin yung next. Alright, here we go. Okay, so basahin lang natin konti to guys. Ang Lifepoints on operated a light speed research limited. Please take a moment to read our policy, membership terms, community terms and conditions, and rewards policy. Do you agree our terms? Yes, I have read. Okay, yes, I have read. Okay, yes, I have read. And of course, I read. Alright, so click natin yung finish. Okay. Alright, medyo naglo-loading. Okay, may 10 points na tayo guys. Okay. Alright, so lagay natin, save na lang natin sa computer. We have sent an email, so please go and check your inbox. Click on the link to verify your membership. Okay, so binigyan na tayo 10 points guys. Napakaganda to. Okay. Oh, second account ko to guys kasi yung pinakita ko yung last dashboard na may points na yung account ko rin, and second account to. Gumawa lang akong damit is for tutorial purposes, pero para ma-share ko rin yung knowledge ko sa inyo. Okay? So, binigyan tayo ni Lifepoints panel, automatic na 10 points, life points. Okay? So, gusto niya na i-confirm muna natin yung nung email address kung totoong tao ba talaga tayo. Okay? So, tingnan natin siya. Alright. Dito tayo sa Gmail ko, guys. Alright. So, ito siya. Okay. Life points. Kita nyo dito. Okay. Click lang natin siya. Pagkatapos nyan, click nyo lang yung verify email. Okay. Verify email. Alright. Okay. Verify email. Okay. Alright, guys. Wow. Okay. Binigyan na tayo ng life points. 10 points. Okay. Akalain mo yun? Nag-register ka lang? May 10 points ka na. Okay. Take me there. Okay. Your membership is now active. You have now collected 10 points. Okay. So, sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon, guys, na once na nag-create kayo ng account dito, automatic, ang bibigyan kayo every single day ng ng survey ni Lifepoints. Okay? Makikita nyo yung survey dito sa email nyo. Magsisend siya ng survey. Okay? So, since bago pa siya, okay, meron ba nang pinapasurvey din sa atin. Click natin to. Okay. Continue. How many people live in the household including you? Alright, so how many children under age in your living units? None. Okay. Alright, how would you define your ethnicity? Okay, we're Asian. Alright. And what is your household combined monthly income before taxes? Include income. Okay, so lagay na natin. Less than. Okay, yan. Less than naman tayo. Hindi naman tayo mayaman eh. Alright. Okay, please tell about yourself so we can improve your survey experience. I personally commute work for 2 hours each way. No. I completed marathon last 3 months. Okay, yes. Alright, completed. Okay, diretso natin to guys. Okay. Alright. Alright, so click lang natin yung continue. Oh, yes. For sure, okay na to. It seems you have already finished this survey. Okay. Alright, ito na yung rock enroll natin guys. Alright. So, direct na tayo. Oh, ito na. May 10 points na tayo. Binigay kay Life Points. Bago pa siya. Bagong-bago. Alright. Sabi dito, your top opportunities, find profile. We're happy to see you. Take a survey. Start survey. Okay, binigyan tayo survey. So, sa baba guys, meron na yung mga company or mga blog na pwede nyo basahin para maintindihan nyo ng lubusan kung anong kalakaran talaga ni Life Points Panel. Okay? So, dito sa baba, ito yung ano niya, yung mga about us. need help center. Andito naman sa gilid, sa taas, ito yung sinabi ko kahapon, na may membership, activity, privacy, okay, log out. So, help center is makikita natin yung yung kung may mga questions kayo, dito lang kayo mag-send ng message to Lifepoints PH, okay? Lifepoints. Okay, Lifepoints. Alright, dito siya. About us, registration, membership, survey, rewards, points. Okay, since bago pa to, wala pa siyang ganun kalaking survey. Okay, dyan. Okay, life points natin, 10 points. Tapos yung rewards. Ito rewards natin. Okay, rewards niya. And home. Ito na yung home. Try natin click yung start survey, guys. Alright, since yung unang survey na binigay sa atin ni Life Points is yung nauna, and of course, okay na yan. Sabi niya is, since you have already finished this survey, na binigay niya yung unang-unang pagpasok pa lang natin. Alright? Okay, so kung gusto niyo i-share sa ibang mga kaibigan nyo, sa Twitter, sa Instagram, o di kaya sa Facebook, pwede naman, click nyo lang to, tapos ma-share na yun sa news feed nyo. Okay? So, guys, ito na yung successful na account natin na sinabi ko sa inyo na isi-share ko kung paano gumawa ng lifepointspanel.com account. And sana ay nakatulong tong video sa inyo. And what you're waiting for, guys, okay? Mag-register na kayo. Okay? Lilink ko yung um, link dito sa lifepointspanel.com. Click lang kayo, just didirekta kayo yan. Walang affiliate din, guys. And ano lang, creating value to sa mga taong hanggang ngayon nanonood sa akin. Okay? So, yun lamang po, guys. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, of course, to Kabal is. Alright? Salamat, guys. Goodbye.